Hi there, welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. I hope you all are well. In today's video, we shall see the Jolly Phonics tricky words, readers level red. It means this is the list 1 of Jolly Phonics tricky words. So in today's class, I shall tell you these 10 tricky words and then some tricks to make the child memorize these things very well. Okay, so come on, let's first see the words. The first word is I. The it's the voice th, and we read this word as the and sometimes as the when the next word after this is starting with a vowel. Okay, like the and. We do not say the and, it's the and. Okay, now this is he, she, me, we, be, was, do, do. You can simply read these words and ask the child to repeat after you, or you can also follow a Montessori technique of introduction of anything new. That is a 3-period lesson. In this, what we do, we just introduce any new thing to the child like this. For say, I have taken these 3 new words, I, the, he. Now at first, I will introduce these to the kid. Just keep them upside down in a tray like this and then show the child one card. Say the name. I. Can you repeat after me? I. Okay. He. Can you repeat after me? He. The. Can you repeat after me? When the child has repeated it after you, let's mix them up and show him again. I, he, the. He, I, the. The, he, I. Okay, now comes the second step, that is recognition. Now you may ask the child, can you please give me I? He will try to find out, and if he gives you the right one, it's okay. If he doesn't give you the right one, or in place of I, he give you this, say okay, don't discourage the child. Keep it down again, and again repeat. I, he, the, he, I. This is I. Okay? Until the child recognizes these, keep doing this. Give me he. Okay? Give me the. Okay? Can you please keep the there? Okay? Can you please keep he over the? Okay, where is he? This is he over the. Can you please keep I over he? Okay. Can you please take out he from there? Okay, where is he? This is he. Take it out. So play this position game with the kid to make his eyes familiar with these words. Okay? Now the last step of this technique, that is confirmation. Now you will confirm whether the child has got this or not. So now you need to ask the child, what is this? And if he has got this, he will say this is I. What is this? He. What is this? The. And this technique really works because Montessori is the education which really knows the psyche of the children and it is designed accordingly. So you can follow this 3-period lesson to introduce tricky words to kids. We can play some games to help the child memorize the tricky words. For that, watch my next video. That's all for today's class. I shall see you soon. Till then, take care and bye.